wish you can... Oh, can you all be quiet? And then go... And then breathe very loudly in at the same time, just to hear if I can hear it. Okay, I'll count to 3, and then you'll sniff this with your noses, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can we do one? Can you crack your knuckles? To the people that this is like a triggering noise, just cover your ears, and for us other people that likes to have fun, we'll listen to it. So if you can do it, can you crack your knuckles when I count to 3? 3? I'm so sorry, and then I'll promise to never ask anything more of you ever again. Okay, 1, 2, 3.